Hello, where's your friend now, honey?
I don't know.
Let's wait for her, okay?
Chắc lẽ đang làm cái gì đó.
Okay. All right. I think it's your friend now, honey. I think your friend is here. It's Bounty, right? Bounty?
No.
Nó chào
Hello.
cô đi.
Hello.
Hello, Bounty.
Hello. Vào đi.
Hello, mommy. I really thought someone entered the class mistakenly a while ago. I'm very sorry. Hello, Bounty. Hello. Your name is Bounty, right?
Yes,
How are you, Bounty?
I'm good.
What's your English name? Do you have an English name?
Sushi.
Again? Again?
Sushi.
Suchi?
Sushi.
Suchi. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Hi, Suchi. You're very pretty. And it's your friend right there. It's Kevin. Kevin is right there.
Yes. Yes.
Are you neighbors? Are you two
Yeah.
guys neighbors? Really?
Yes.
Oh, how old are you, Suchi?
6 years old.
6. And then Kevin? Kevin, how old are you, Kevin?
6 years old.
Oh, you're the same. Okay. Anyway, teacher is now going to share the screen. And then you're going to have the same lesson as Kevin. Okay, Suchi?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, teacher's going to share the screen now.
Yes. Cho xem.
How is your day, Suchi? How's your day? Did you have a nice day?
Yes.
Did you go to school?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Did you have fun at school?
Yes.
How about Kevin? Kevin, did you have fun at school, Kevin boy?
Yes.
Yes, I did. One more time. Can you, Suchi and Kevin, can you say, yes, I did?
Yes, I did.
Very good. Okay, now, are you ready for the lesson? You ready? Yes, I. Yes, I. Okay, let's go. Now, we're going to have. Oh, where is Suchi? Suchi, are you still there?
Hồ nước màu dưới.
Okay. Now, guys, can you see teacher's screen?
Yes, I
Suchi.
can see.
How about
Yes, I can
Suchi?
see.
Okay, now we are going to have the topic about okay, teacher's going to ask Suchi first. Suchi, can you read this one?
Thing to eat.
Very good. Wow. How about Kevin? Kevin, read this. Things to
eat.
Very good. Okay, now, honey, we are going to have the lesson about who wants to read?
Food.
Who wants to read? Yes. Very good, guys. It's about a fruit. Now, teacher's going to ask you, what is your favorite fruit? Let's have Kevin first. Kevin, what's your favorite fruit, Kevin?
I like banana
And
orange.
wow! How about Suchi? Suchi, what is your favorite fruit, Suchi girl? What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite peach and banana.
Wow, me, my favorite fruit is durian. Do you know durian? Durian,
No.
apple, and banana. Okay, now let's have these following words right here. You're going to listen to the audio, okay? Are you ready? Suchi and Kevin?
Yes.
Yes. You say, yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Okay, let's listen. Let's listen. You have to listen carefully, okay? You listen carefully.
Page 26. Lesson 2. Fruit. A. Listen, point, and say. 1.
Apple.
What's for number
Apple.
1? Very good, Suchi. How about Kevin? What's for number 1, Kevin?
Apple.
Very good, guys. Great job. Okay, let's have number 2.
2.
Banana.
Banana.
Yeah.
Banana.
Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana.
Banana. No, that.
What's the...
This is.
Oh, no. Okay, again, what's the second picture? Suchi and Kevin?
Banana.
Very good. Do you eat banana? Do you eat
Yes.
banana? Yes. Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Very good, Suchi. Okay, let's have the third one. Let's listen to the third one.
Con biết con giỏi
Three.
này.
Orange.
Orange.
Very good. How about
Orange.
Kevin? Yeah.
Orange.
I think Kevin has an orange. Do you have an orange right there, Kevin?
Yes.
Where is it? Can you show it to Suchi? Can you show it to Suchi? Let Suchi see that.
Orange.
Yeah. Okay, now let's have the next one. We are going to have the favorite of Suchi.
4.
Peach.
What is it?
Peach. Peach.
Peach. Very good.
Peach. I love peach too.
Yeah. You have a peach, Suchi? Do you have a peach? No. But you said it's your favorite. It's your favorite fruit. Do you have a peach at home?
Teacher.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah. What is that? Which one is the peach? Kevin, which one is the peach? Can you show us the peach?
And this is an apple.
Whoa! Can we eat it? Can we eat it? No, we cannot. It's not a real fruit. Okay, let's read these words again one more time. You have to read together, okay? Let's have the first one. Kevin, Suchi?
Apple.
Very
Banana. 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 Orange. Peach.
Very good. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, now let's move forward to the next one. Okay. Let's have this one. How many apples do you see?
I see one apple.
How about Suchi? Very good.
I see one apple.
Very good. So if it's one apple, you call it? If it's only one, you call it?
Apple.
Very
Apple.
good. Yes. Now, how many apples do you see? Suchi, Kevin?
I see 3 apples.
Very-
I see 3 apples.
Very good. Honey,
Apples.
if it's 2 or more, if it's a lot and a lot and a lot of apples, you add S. So it's not apple anymore. It will be apples. Can you say that?
Apples. Apples.
Yes. Again, I can see.
I can see apples. I can see apples.
Very good. How many apples do you see? How many
I see 3 apples.
Very good. I can see 3 apples. Very good, guys. Now, let's move forward to the next one. What is this?
Banana. I
Very
see
good.
banana.
Okay.
One
Chicken,
banana.
banana. Banana. Okay, what's the color of the banana?
It's yellow.
It's
It's
yellow.
yellow.
Is there a green banana? Is there a green
No.
banana? There's no green banana? No, there is. There is a green banana. The unripe banana, honey.
Yo.
Okay. If it's only one, you call it banana.
I see
Okay.
one banana.
Very good. Let's have the next one. How many bananas do you see? Can you count? Kevin, where's Kevin now?
I see 6 banana.
Very good, honey. But it's a lot of bananas, right? It's not only one, but a lot of bananas. So it will be,
Bananas.
yes, it will be bananas with S. Okay? With S. Where's Kevin? Kevin? Where are you?
Heaven.
I think Kevin is busy. Suchi, let's wait for him, okay? Suchi, do you have a sister?
No.
Do you have a brother?
No.
You're just the only one. You're just the
Yes.
only- We're the same. I am just the only one too. I don't have a brother and I don't have a sister.
Do you have a mommy?
Yes, of course. I have a mom.
No.
I have a mommy. Okay, Kevin, if it's only one, we call it
You know what? Banana.
You know what?
I
No.
see 6 bananas.
Yes, if it's a lot, honey, it's bananas already, okay? If it's a lot, then a lot, okay? You add S. All right, Kevin, how about Kevin? Kevin, boy, how many bananas do you see?
Um.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you say it? I can see 6.
Can see 6 banana.
Very good,
Bananas.
Suchi. How about Kevin? Very good. Huh?
This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Yeah, it's
7. 7 here. 7 here.
It's 6, honey. 6, 7.
5, 6. It's 6.
Yeah. It's 6.
Then
What's the real answer? What's the real answer? Is it 6 or 7? 6, 7.
It's 6, not 7.
Okay, it's 6. Okay, there are 6 bananas. Okay, next one. Let's have the next one. What is this?
I see 1 orange.
Very good. Honey, orange. Orange. Okay. All right. If it's only one, it is. How do you say it? Suchi, Kevin?
Orange.
What's with the eyes, Kevin? Okay, but let's have the next one. How many oranges
I
do you
see
say?
3 orange.
But it's 3.
Orange.
It's already 3. It's already 3, honey. It's not 1 only. It's 3. So you add also letter.
I see 3
Oranges.
oranges.
Yeah, honey. If it's only 1, it's orange. Orange. 1.
Orange.
But if it's many, if it's a lot, if it's 2, 3, 4, 5, it's oranges. Your turn.
Orange. Orange.
Oranges. Just.
Orange.
Yes. Again, one more time. I can see 3 oranges.
I can see orange.
Okay. Let's have Suchi first. Suchi first. I can see.
I can see 3 oranges.
Let's have Kevin. Kevin, how many oranges can you see? I can see.
I can see 3 oranges.
Very good, guys. Suchi and Kevin. Now let's move forward to the next one. Oh, what's that?
Peach.
Peach.
I see 1 peach.
Very good. Whose favorite is this? Yes, it's Suchi's favorite. Okay, you can.
Like peach.
You don't like peach, Kevin? Really?
Really?
How many peach do you see, Kevin?
I can see 1 peach.
Very good. But how about this one? How many peaches do you see?
I can see 3 peach.
But it's already 3, so it will not be peach anymore. It will be, you have to add E and S. It will be
Peaches.
S. Yes. Yes. Okay, let's have Suchi. Suchi, if it's already 3 or more.
3 peaches.
Peaches. Okay, honey. If it's only 1, you remember it's peach. Again, Kevin, Suchi, you say peach.
Peach.
But if it's a lot, you say peaches.
Peaches.
Yes. Say it again for 3 times. Peaches, peaches, peaches.
Peaches. Peaches. Peaches.
Okay, I can see 3 peaches.
I see 3 peaches.
Kevin?
I see 3 peaches.
Very good, guys. Remember that if it's 1, it's just peach. If it's a lot, it's peaches. You add E and S, okay? Okay? Okay. All right, now you have to listen, okay? You have to listen and then practice, okay? Suchi, Kevin?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's have this one. You have to listen first.
Page 26. B. Listen and say. Then practice.
I have apples.
I have apples.
Kevin?
Apple.
Very good.
I don't have apples.
I don't have apples.
Very good. Again, one more time.
I have apples. I have apples. I don't have apples.
Very good. Okay, let's continue listening.
Did I?
He has apples.
He have
Here. Okay.
He doesn't
has
have apples.
apples. He has apples. He don't have apples.
He doesn't.
Okay, okay.
doesn't have apples.
Okay, let's have Kevin here. Kevin, you read this one, Kevin. Kevin, you read this. He has.
He has apples.
Okay, this one is for Suchi. Suchi, read this one.
He don't.
He doesn't.
He doesn't have apples.
Very good. He doesn't have apples, honey. We use doesn't, my dear. We use doesn't if we are talking about one person only, okay? This is only one boy. So we use doesn't, okay? He doesn't have apples. Okay, let's continue.
She has
apples.
She doesn't
She
have
has
apples.
apples.
Okay, let's
She
have
doesn't have
Suchi.
apples.
Okay, let's have Suchi here. Suchi, you read this one.
She has apples.
Kevin. Kevin's part.
She doesn't have apples.
Very good. That is it. Okay. Let's have the other part.
Don't, do not, doesn't, does not,
Very good. Okay. Honey, let's have Suchi here. Suchi, please read.
I have apples.
This one, honey. This one. Don't.
I don't have apples.
This one, honey. This part. We have here the don't and do
No,
equals do not. Okay, let's have Kevin's. Let's have Kevin's. How about Kevin?
Doesn't.
It means
Does not. Does not.
does not. Kevin, what is it? It is does not.
Does not.
Okay, let's have this one. You're going to listen and say, okay? You have to listen first. Okay, Suchi, Kevin? Let's go. Okay, number one.
apples, bananas,
Oh, no. Wait.
oranges, peaches,
1,
One.
I have apples.
What's for number
I
one?
have apples.
Very good. Kevin?
One. I have apples.
Very good. Do you have apples, guys? Who has apples now? Who has apples? Kevin again. Do you have apple? Do you have an apple, Suchi? It's okay, Suchi. It's okay.
I have
You have. Okay, but it's in the it's in the kitchen, right?
in the kitchen.
Yes. Okay. Me, I don't have an app. Okay, let's have number two.
Oh.
Yes, Kevin has an app. Oh, what is that, Kevin?
It's dollar.
Yes.
In
Kevin has a lot of dollars. Yeah. Kevin is showing us a lot of dollars. Suchi. How about Suchi? Do you have dollars, Suchi? Me, I don't have a
Yes.
dollar. Don't have a Wow, you have a lot of money, guys. Teacher doesn't have any money. You have a lot of money. You have a lot of money. I don't have money. I just have water right here. Wow! Look at Kevin. Kevin is showing us a lot of money.
No.
I think
Really?
Suchi and Kevin
Really?
are rich. Wow! You're showing me a lot of money. That's a lot of money. I am jealous now.
Có 8 đồng mà.
Let's continue. Oh, I think Kevin is getting more. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue, guys. Let's have number two.
Don't have bananas.
Number two. I don't have.
I don't have bananas.
Oh, you think? Yeah, I think it's for number one, honey. Hold on.
2,
For number one, honey, he said, I have apples. I don't have bananas. Can you say that?
Apples. I have apple. Nhưng mà không nói bạn.
Okay, for number one, honey, he said, I have apples. I don't have bananas.
I don't have bananas.
Great. Okay, let's have number two. You have to listen carefully.
She has bananas. She doesn't have oranges.
Who wants to say it?
She has a banana. She doesn't have oranges.
Very good. Great job. She has bananas. She doesn't have oranges. You don't put honey, you don't put okay? You don't put just oranges. Okay? Let's have number three.
3,
She has oranges. She doesn't have
She
peaches.
have oranges. She doesn't have peach.
Okay, let's have Kevin. Kevin first. Okay, Kevin, say it, Kevin.
She has orange.
Oranges.
Oranges. She doesn't have peach.
Very good. Let's have Suchi.
Anh nói cho nó.
She has oranges. She doesn't have peach.
Very good, guys. Great job.
Good job.
Yay. Let's have number 4. Good job. Let's have number 4. Let's go to number 4.
He has peach.
4.
He has peaches.
Doesn't.
He doesn't have apples.
Okay, let's have Suchi first. Okay, Suchi this time.
He has peach.
He doesn't.
He doesn't have apples.
Very good. Let's have Kevin. Kevin's turn.
He has peach. He doesn't have apples.
Very good, guys. Both of you are very smart. You're very smart, guys. Okay, you take turns on reading this. Okay, who wants to read first? Who wants to read first? Okay, let's have Kevin first.
Have apple. I don't have bananas.
Okay, let's have Suchi.
She had bananas. She doesn't have oranges.
Oranges. Yes, let's have Kevin.
She has orange.
Oranges.
She have oranges. She doesn't have peach.
Yes. Honey, we're talking about a lot of peach, so it's peaches. Okay, let's have Suchi.
He has peaches. He doesn't have apples.
Very good, guys. That is it. Okay. Let's have this one, but I think we just have seconds left, but I think that's okay. Let's have this one. Let's listen again one more time. Okay? Oh, guys, we don't have enough time anymore. It's already 9:20, so Teacher Shane has to say goodbye now. Thank you so much, Suchi and Kevin. Suchi, did you enjoy the class? Did you enjoy the class? Yes. How about Kevin? Kevin, did you enjoy the class?
Yes.
Yes. We're going to meet again next time, Suchi. Okay. If you like the class, we're going to meet again next time. Okay. Bye-bye, guys. You did
Bye-bye,
good
teacher.
today. You're very smart. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Bye-bye.